Hello everyone, this is Cody with basecamptrading.com. I just wanted to make a quick video here going over the ES on the weekly chart, what I'm watching for, and where we may be heading. So over the last few months, we've been trading in this range. Well, roughly right in here. We've been trading sideways since, pretty much October. And the last pivot low is right down here, which is at 65.25. And if we get below that, if we can start to drop back down and take out this level, we could come down all the way down to a Fibonacci level at 59.01 and a half, roughly. That's what I'm watching for if we get a further pullback and start to kind of change trend. Our momentum is pointed lower right now. Histograms are getting more bearish, so there is more momentum to the downside currently than what we've had from back here. So we need to get below 65.25 if we're going to keep moving lower. But that's what I'm watching in the ES. We'll see if we can keep moving or if we move back into the range. But if you are interested in this kind of content and want to check out our trading room, we do have a $7 trial for 30-day access. So if you would like to check that out, feel free to email support@basecamptrading.com. But thank you and have a nice day.